Alright guys, we're getting ready to eat here at Best Italian on the Parkway in Gatlinburg. We're going to take a look at the menu here. They have some pasta, and we have been here several times before and we always opt for the pizza. But today, Jennifer and I are going to try the lasagna, and the boys are going to get a cheese pizza. But there's one thing that you cannot go without here, and that is their garlic knots. Their garlic knots are the absolute best garlic knots we have ever had at any Italian restaurant. So we're going to show you what those look like today. And here's the rest of the menus. Some of their signature pies, as you can see. Of course, you can build your own pizza as well. And they have several salads to choose from. The lasagna includes ricotta cheese blended with fresh Italian herbs and spices, topped with meat sauce and mozzarella cheese, and baked to perfection. It also includes 3 garlic rolls. Here is the lasagna, first look, as well as those garlic knots. And over here we've got the cheese pizza, and Henry just woke up from a nap. So if you like butter and garlic, right down here is all the garlic and butter you will ever need. All right, here is Jennifer's first spot of the lasagna at Best Italian here on the Parkway in Gatlinburg.
It's really good. It has that really good sauce with the good garlic flavor and everything, but it's not too overpowering. It's so good.
All right, guys, the first thing that I've noticed is there's a lot of mozzarella cheese on top, but look how large those chunks of Italian sausage are. It's got a really good sauce with a lot of great herbs, spices. It's a really good lasagna. All right, Jennifer, now that you've had a few more bites, tell us what your continued thoughts are of this meal.
It's pretty good. It's not our homemade lasagna that we make at home, but we're kind of lasagna snobs because we have a family recipe. But the parts of the lasagna that have like the most ricotta on there, and normally we use cottage cheese in ours, but the parts that have the most ricotta in there, those are really the best bites, I think.
I certainly agree with that. And I really like the Italian sausage, but again, as time has gone on, there's fewer and fewer pieces of those chunks of Italian sausage, but still good. So we always rave about how great the garlic knots are here at Best Italian, but I will say today they have not met that same level of expectation that we have come to find here at Best Italian, and I think they've just been cooked a little bit too long, but they are still good, but they are not at that caliber that we are accustomed to here at this restaurant. Henry, is it good? Henry, is it good?
Yeah.
All right. And we are here to talk about Best Italian and our experience at Best Italian. Jennifer, what were your thoughts on Best Italian this evening?
Best Italian is one of our favorite places to go. The garlic knots are always really good.
Henry, did you like the pizza, the cheese pizza? Was it delicious? No? Well, you sure did eat a whole lot of it.
I got pizza as well, and I got pizza. Every time we go there, pizza, spaghetti, anything, it's good. It's good.
Mm-hmm. Did you like the garlic knots?
Yes.
Delicious.
Same thing as what she said.
Yeah, they were a little bit better last time. I will concur with that.
Yes.
We rave and talk about how great the garlic knots are, and they were good this time, but they were just a little bit crunchy. They were maybe cooked a little too long this go around. Now, when it comes to the lasagna, I will say my favorite lasagna is Jennifer's lasagna. I do have another lasagna. Every now and then, I'll go on a keto diet, and I have a lasagna that I make when I go on the keto diet that's very flavorful. Even if you're not on the keto diet, it's a good lasagna to make. It's obviously noodleless. Is that a word? Noodleless? I don't know.
No,
I don't think it is. No. It doesn't have noodles. How about that?
Low carb.
Yeah.
Low carb. There you go.
Yeah.
But it is a great lasagna, very flavorful, and I found that recipe just on the internet. But I will say, other than Jennifer's lasagna and the keto lasagna, my favorite lasagna at a restaurant of all time is at a place called Buddy V's Ristorante. Buddy V's Ristorante is located in Las Vegas at the Venetian Hotel. And if that is a 10 on the rating scale, Buddy V's Ristorante at the Venetian's lasagna is a level 10 lasagna, I would rank this at probably maybe a 6.5. It is good, but again, on that rating scale, about a 6.5. We highly recommend Best Italian. There are actually 2 locations here on the Parkway. We always go to the one that's directly on the Parkway, but there's another one that's kind of tucked back in the corner of a little shopping complex that's also available. And guys, thank you so much for tagging along with us today, and we can't wait to see you next time on Everyday